So here we are in one of the classic locations where everyone takes photographs of Offa's Dyke, and we're on top of the bank and its massive ditch is on this western side, and we're looking south towards Llanfa Hill in Shropshire, where the dyke just drops down into this little valley and then winds around the hillside there in very dramatic fashion. And at this location one can get a real sense of the scale of the earthworks construction and its impressive visual impact. We can see how it breaks up the landscape and dominates the landscape to the west, because even though it doesn't have massive long distance views in this location, it uses the natural slope to its advantage in making it more difficult to traverse from anyone approaching it from this western side. And in this way, we can imagine how there would have been communications along the dyke, as well as breaking up routes from the west into the east. So it controlled access to the lands to the east, and it would have allowed people to communicate along its route to warn people of any approaching threat.